Hi everyone, today I would like to talk about our project which is bench, signage monument via aluminium and finally concrete pavement. For your information, we would like to thank our teaching staff, the lecturer who have collaborated in making this project a success, Dr. Farah, Dr. Shah and the laboratory assistant. Talk about site preparation. First of all, we must clear the site before starting the project. Then we build and bench by arranging the brick according to the layer and we put requirement bar.
Second is cutting. We use wood cutting machine to precisely cut the plywood, ensuring smooth edges. Accurate measurement is measuring the plywood according to the size given. And last, wood sanding. We use sandpaper to smooth out the rough spot on plywood and creating an even surface for finishing. And second type is steel work. The steel bar is cut into shorter and longer pieces based on the measured length, which is slightly shorter than the length of the formwork. The last type is concrete work. And second is foundation. Before making the foundation, we perform site cleaning, including removing cracks, stone and leveling the ground to prepare the construction site for a stable and solid base.
The next step is to build a bench. First, we collect materials such as rock, sand, water, and cement to make the foundation. And this is the process of making the foundation. We spread the mortar on the top of the stone placed on the bench base. Then we put the mortar on the top of the level mortar mixture to strengthen the structure.
And the last step is brick tie. For brick tie, we using stretcher bond because it time and cost effective. This method involves laying brick with the long side facing outward, ensuring overlap and stability. It also reduces labor time, minimize cuts and provide a durability and attractive finishes.
Last but not least, the last part is housekeeping. After doing the project, we will clean the area and the equipment we have used until it's clean and we put the equipment in its original place. This is a video and the picture of us cleaning the equipment we used after doing the project.
Mochi-mochi yang baru sudah ni.
Semangat sangat.